Hi guys, quick unboxing. Linksys Velop Pro 7 kit. This box is big. Wi-Fi 7. Oh, there's 2 additional units. Every unit comes with the 4 ports, 1 gig and 2.5 gig port. First unit, second unit. That's cool. This box, nothing else in this box. This second box. Wi-Fi 7 free pack, cost £1,000 on Amazon at the moment. Second box, again the same unit, and I believe 3 chargers and user manual. Yeah, that's correct. User manual and a charger for each device. That's it for now. Keep tuned. I will go the short update. How good is device? We'll give a short update. Bye for now.